English class. Students, today's topic is editing, and our topic is editing, class 6, subject English, practice book, regular irregular verbs we are studying, and on last page we are going with the editing. The following extract has not been edited. Read the extract and underline the wrong words. Replace them with the correct ones in the space provided. The first one has been done for you. While the Goddard's man was tending his course. Now this is not Goddard's man, we say Goddard man. So correct spelling is this. In the pasture, he see a number of wild goats. So now see is present form of the verb. We are to use past form of the verb because this paragraph is not about the present tense. It is about the past. This thing is over. All the things which we tells about the past we use in there, we use about telling any story, about telling any incident which has happened in the past, we use second form of the verb. So he drived all the goats home. Not drived, he drove, because three forms are drive, drove, driven. So first of all, exactly drive, drove, driven. Before solving this paragraph, I would like to show the three forms, because you will again get confused about three forms. If I say don't use is, use was, then directly how you will come to know that was is first present form or past form. We all know that we use is in present and we use was in past, but some other reason is also there. So see what reason is there. Exactly three forms. We don't say first form, second form, third form. Here we will call it past form of the verb. Second form we are using in our paragraph. These all forms we are to correct in the paragraph. So first of all, understand these. So put, take, took, taken, is. Now I was talking about is, that how you will come to know that was is second form or past form of the verb. So is MR means be. Be is first form, is MR means be, and be is first form, be was be. Then save, saved, saved. Give, gave, given. Think, thought, thought. So this is, and then after this, now you can solve this paragraph easily. You will learn that three forms of the verb, and then past form you will use here. Past form means second form of the verb. So let's read it once more. While the Goddard's man was tending his goats in the pasture, he see a number of wild goats mingle with his flock. He drove all the goats home. He put them in the pen together. So what happened here? Now past form. Now easily you can solve. He saw a number of wild goats mingle with the flock. He drove, no form. Exactly three forms are drive, drove, driven. So second form will be drove. So error is drive and correction is drove. You will underline drived here. This is error. All the goats home. And put again wrongly spelled. So put, three forms are put. So them in the pen together. The next day is stormy. So next day was stormy because it is past. And second form will be, as I told you, be was been. So second form of is will be was. So is the error and was is the correction. So the Goddard did not, took. We did. Students, we studied in the chapter that we use first form of the verb. Did is itself second form. Do, did, done. But here, whenever did is there in the sentence, we use first form with it. The goats out. For this, I will give you one more exercise to learn it properly. The goats out as usual. Instead, he feeded them. So feeded again is no form of the verb. Feed, fed them in the pen, enclosure for keeping the goats or sheep. So he gave his own flock. He gave his own flock enough food to saved. Now to saved. With to we use first form, means error is saved. With to you are to use first form, save, saved, saved. So save is first form. So error saved and correction saved. From starving, what he gave the wild goats, the maximum he could. So give is first form, gave second form. Then he wanted them to stay and he thinked. Thinked is no form. I have already told you that it is not thought. Think, thought, thought. Catch, caught, caught. Buy, bought, bought. So speak it like this only. Pronunciation, pay a special attention that if he fed them well, they wouldn't leave. With would you will use first form of the verb. So now students, let's understand. The use of did. I told you that with did we use first form of the verb. But how you can remember and how long you can remember if you don't picturize it. So let's create the memory which is long lasting. So my last Sunday. So now students, imagine these all sentences you are to picturize in your mind that on last Sunday you were doing these all things. So just think about your last Sunday which is over. So it is past tense. I did not get up early in the morning. Means you are to think like this, that okay, it was last Sunday. I did not get up early in the morning. I did not get down the bed. I did not put on my slipper. I didn't unlatch the door. Unlatch, unbolt the door. I didn't turn on the tap. Means you didn't go over to the washing bowl. You didn't take bath. You didn't splash your face. Means you were not washing even your face. So you didn't splash your face. So you will write I didn't splash, because you can create your own memory, own picture. I didn't splash my face. I didn't turn on the tap. I didn't rinse my mouth. Rinse is for mouth and splash is for the face. So I didn't splash my face. I didn't wipe out my face. Washing for the clothes, and for face you will use wipe out. So okay, I didn't turn on the tap. I didn't attend the call of nature. So you didn't attend the call of nature even early in the morning. I didn't take bath. I didn't clean my room. I didn't watch TV. I didn't read newspaper. I didn't take breakfast. Students, here you will not say breakfast. Breakfast is wrong pronunciation. Kindly say breakfast or breakfast. I didn't get ready for my online classes. I didn't draw the curtain out. I didn't follow my mother's instructions. I didn't touch my parents' and grandparents' feet. Good manners if you touch, but you didn't touch it last Sunday, remember it. I didn't offer water to holy vessel and son. Holy vessel and sun, like you must be in habit of giving water to the sun, so don't say giving water, offer we say. I didn't worship. This is all what I did on my last Sunday. Thank you. Have a nice day.